Have a look at these spinners. Wouldn't you love to have some of these on your website? Just look at them. These are pretty funky, yeah? Or no? I mean, just look at them. I think these are so crafty and they could add a little bit of just uniqueness to your website. Okay, I say uniqueness because someone else might have this as well, but this is something you could easily add. And you know what's great about this? It's built just using CSS. Let me show you. Let me take this pattern over here, okay? I'm going to click it. We get HTML code and we get the CSS code. I'm going to copy the HTML, literally like that. You just copy it. I'm going to go over to one of my test pages and I'm going to get the HTML widget like this. And I'm going to drop that code in there. Now at the moment, nothing happens. I've dropped the code in, nothing happens. You can now go to advanced and drop in the CSS code as well, but I'm going to do it all within the HTML. So I'm going to write the word style with the angled bracket, and then what will happen is you'll get the / style as well. Go back to this website. It's actually from the epicspinners.epicmax.co. The link is in the description. Go away and play with it. We're now going to copy the CSS code, go back over here, and I'm going to now drop it here, like so. And look at that. Just look at that. Just playing away on our website, and it works absolutely fine on your mobile as well, and your tablet as well. So this is pretty simple. I mean, I'm not going to go here and start hacking into every little element of that CSS code, but you can see here that if you're comfortable with messing around with it, let me just change one of the lines over here. So there we go. So I've added in a blue line there. So can you now see we've now got some color variation? And I bet if I do FF, I think it's 0000, now that's red, FF00, we get yellow. So can you see that there? Let me just make the background of this be a black or a dark color like that. There we go. We've got a bit of color going on there. This website is so simple. It is so simple and versatile in what it gives you there. It hasn't got a huge range, but there are some really nice designs here. So maybe you want something like this pattern. Maybe you want to have it near your logo or somewhere on your page, or you just want to add something to your page. You just copy the HTML, copy the CSS, add it to a HTML widget. If you don't want to do this style, fine. Just go to advanced and drop it into here, then into your custom CSS. But doing it all in HTML keeps it nice and clean in one area. But Epic Spinners, epicmax.co, I've got to give my hats off to them for creating such a wonderful website with tools that you could add to yours. Hey, I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow, and have a go. It's free and it's easy. See you soon.